Mia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, it is my first time making sushi and this is my first try. I have not made it or came close to make one. So, I'll keep my fingers crossed. I'm nervous about this because it is an expensive fish and I went to the Japanese supermarket in Arlington Heights, Mitsuwa, just to get all my ingredients in one place, and I did that. And I have salmon, I have tuna, I have tempura shrimp, and I have yellowtail and eel. So let's go and make this sushi right now. Very good. Okay. So this is everything I got, as I said, everything I got from the Mitsuwa Japanese store. This is the nori. Did I wash my hands? I think I did. Because I pulled the fish. Alright, you guys. You guys gonna be my judge. But with the taste, I'll let the birthday boy do the judging. Okay. Morimoto said it doesn't matter which side to put the rice, so I'm gonna do that. I'll just put the rice right there. And I don't know how much rice. Press and press. Oh, this is sticky. It's sticky. You guys, this is sticky. Okay. Are we gonna make a big roll or this is sticky? Alright. So we're going Japanese today. I love Japanese food. Ooh, sticky. What happened? Why is this so sticky? I don't know what. Alright, I think I need more rice. I'm not sure. I think you have to keep washing your hands to hold the sushi rice. Morimoto make it seem very easy. I did watch this how to make sushi. And it seems so easy. And it's not. Well, if I can make egg roll, I should be able to make this right. That's the mindset. So we should be able to do this. So this is a lot of rice now. I have to move the other rice. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I think the trick of this is you keep washing your hands. I think. Alright, so I would have to cut some part of the nori. I'm not sure. This is my first sushi, so forgive me if I'm gonna do this. Hopefully the next roll wouldn't be that complicated for me. Alright, so I am going to do the tuna. Here. This is a lot. And then I'm going to put some vegetables. Okay. Okay, and I think that's it. And I'm going to roll this. Oh no! Oh, it's wrong. I have to flip the rice.
Come
Oh,
on.
I'm sorry. Thank goodness, I forgot. I have to flip the rice, you guys. Oh, no kidding you. I have to flip the rice first. Okay. Now, I'm going to flip the rice like this. There we go. Now, it should be that way. And then, I'm going to put the inside, the tuna. Forgive me if I have a Japanese viewers out there. It's my first time, but I can learn easy. I'm a quick learner, but this one is a little complicated for now. Correct. I have to remember what I've seen. I forgot. Alright, is that a lot or? I think that's it. Now we are going to roll. Ooh. Okay, I made too much. Okay, I made too much. I'm gonna cut again.
Come on.
I'm so sorry. I look like a mediocre right now. Sorry. No offense. I thought it was easy. It's not easy. Okay, now I'm gonna use my bamboo mat. And it says you just need to press, but not squeeze. Just press to make a mold. Very good. There we go. And then slide to the other side. This is my first sushi roll in a lifetime. Remember that, April 10th, 2021. I will remember that. Okay, all right, very good. Okay, so there we go. Now I am going to put avocado on top to make it prettier. Okay, make some avocado top. Hats off to all the sushi chef. This is not easy. You have to be creative, I guess, to do this. Okay. Don't tie me, okay? Because this is not on my league. It's a first timer's job right here. Okay, I have to beautify this, you know why? Because I'm gonna let you guys judge my work. Alright. I have to get ready my platter, my sushi platter. I'm having a hard time. Okay. I don't have the right tools. I mean, I have the right tools, but they're not sharp. I think I have a big sushi. All right, one more, baby. There we go. I drop, but it's okay. Now we are going to use this again to mold them back. That's what they said. Okay. Voila. I should be able to transfer this. I hope. Okay. Oh, great. Okay, it's a little loose. It's a little loose, this part here. Here's my first tuna sushi avocado roll. Let's get the rice. Okay, now I'm gonna do the salmon. I am making a spicy mayo to be a topping. Alright you guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the mukbang.